I've been trying to install Windows 11 on my PC. Now it's quite a new PC, and those of you who follow my stream will realise it's got an Asus motherboard, it's got an i9, it's got all the stuff on it, and it's got an up-to-date version of Windows 10. But I want to get to Windows 11. I'm taking the jump even before the first update has hit the shelves. But during the installation process failed. It returned me to my Windows 10 desktop, and as you can see, in Windows Update it states that this PC can run Windows 11. Great news, it says. But then why did it fail? You can see I've checked my updates. There it is, totally up to date. Certain apps and features may have additional requirements. You can check your device specifications. So you click on that, and then up comes another window where you can then download a checking tool from the Windows website. However, that's not what we're here to talk about today. We're on about we couldn't install Windows 11, and the error we get is 0x800F0830-0x20003. And it says the installation failed in the safe OS phase with an error during install updates operation. Now, it doesn't really tell you much when you go to the troubleshooting tips. But to be fair, I kind of applied a little bit of logic to fix this. And here is the Windows 11 setup. So it said it will go online to get updates. Here is your first clue. It failed at the doing the updates bit. All right, let's change how setup does those updates. I'm not going to download updates drivers and optional features. I click right there, and I'm going to click next. It's going to go off. It's going to check my PC, and it's going to prompt me in a while to go through the ULEA. All right, so we'll say yes, brilliant. Making sure you're ready to install. Well, I should be, because I've got all my items there. Finally, you get this message. What needs your attention? So continuing the installation will change your display language to. Change it back. You will need to reinstall a language pack. Okay. We'll say okay for that. It'll then go off and think about it. It'll check the disk space, and it'll say great, install. I'm going to go for an in-place upgrade, install Windows 11, keep personal files and apps. We're going to say install. So this is the agonizing waiting period of the Windows 11 installation. At least it was for me. I went off, had a cup of tea, came back. It took about 10 to 15 minutes for it to go through its motions. And I've speeded this up as well at this stage, because all you're looking at really is the percentage go up and a blue screen saying installing Windows 11. Now, as you can see, I'm on 85%. The machine has restarted a few times on its own accord, as it says at the bottom, and it's definitely got a bit further on in the installation process as what I had when I was downloading and installing updates as part of the installation process. The question does remain to be seen, however, once it does install, will I get the option to install updates via the Windows Update service? Hopefully I will. That's going to be the caveat, and we're going to see this because it's all happening, right, as I do it. So by turning off the install updates via the installation process, things are indeed looking good. And here we are. This is Windows 11. You can see with the central menu bar and the bottom of the screen and my desktop. I'm being prompted to download a new version of the Armoury Crate app, and I'll do that. And then by going to Windows and then clicking here, what we can do is type in search, and we can say Windows Update. We can go and check for some updates. I did update it all prior to doing the installation, but it is going out there and getting its stuff, which is great. Thanks very much for watching. I've been the Collaboration Kernel, and check back for more IT videos and videos in this series. Stay safe and see you soon.